Welcome back. The assert statement. It is a debugging aid used to test assumptions about the state of your program. If the assumption is false, Python immediately halts execution and raises an assertion error. 1. Assert syntax. The assert statement takes at least one argument, a condition that must be true. Optionally, it can take a second argument, which is a message string displayed if the condition is false. 2. Handling a failed assertion. If the condition is false, the assertion fails. The program stops, and Python raises an assertion error. This is intentional. It signals that something unexpected and critical happened, requiring developer attention. 3. Assert versus if. A if statement may be used for checking expected conditions and handling them gracefully, for example, printing an error message to a user. Assert is strictly for developer use. It validates internal assumptions and should never be used for user input validation because it is designed to crash the program when something is fundamentally wrong. To summarize, use assert to confirm conditions that your code must have to function correctly. It acts as a safety net during development and testing. We have learned the fundamental flow control statements. Our next lecture, 09/16. More programs, remove duplicates in list. See you there.